Hey guys, so as you can see, this is my architectural design or architectural plan. As you can see it here, so this is only the plan and some detailings part of this plan. So this topic is about how to select the object. So in my previous videos also I have taught you how to select the object, so in a very easiest way, because some of the peoples or some of the students are getting much more confusion. They do not know how to select the object in AutoCAD. So now I am going to teach you how to select any kind of object, and if you are going to delete the object, or if you want to move, copy any kind of object in the AutoCAD, so you need to know how to select that object. So let's start this tutorial. So see, if I want to select the object, right? So if I want to select this whole plan, so this whole plan, so how could I? So most of the people are doing mistake over here. So what are the mistake? They generally doing like this. They are like this, they are selecting the object. So this is the very wrong way of doing or selecting any kind of object. See, they are pressing and they are doing like this. So this is the wrong way selecting the object like this. So, and in my previous tutorials I am also telling you the things which I am going to tell you over here also. So these green lines as well as this yellow line. So let's talk about this selection, how to select any kind of plan or any kind of object in the AutoCAD. So first of all, see, if I want to select this N in this over the direction, I'm going to tell you how to select this only N. So most of the people are doing the mistake like this, they are doing. So please don't do like this. That is not the way of doing this. So see, if you want to select this N only, right? So just keep your mouse, means just keep your mouse cursor over here. Now click once. So left click, do left click once, click, and just just move your mouse without pressing or without clicking anything, any right or left button from your mouse. Don't click any buttons, just move your mouse. What the things you need to select, you please move up to there. See, if I am doing from right to left, the green line comes, right? If I am doing from left to right, it's blue lines comes. So the green line means the green, you can see it, right? So green means it will select the entire. But if you select the object with the blue line, it will select the inside material, inside the object. So now I need only N, right? So I want to select like this. If you over the move button and it comes in the middle, means it covers the region, right? So now you click left click, just click it once from your mouse. See, that object is only selected. So if you want to move it or copy it, so I'm going to move it, CO enter. See, that object will only move, right? See, it has been copied from here to here. So this is the way to select. So now I'm going to tell you, if you want to select this whole circle, so now use my logic, use my idea. So just click once above this, so whole region will cover, right? Keep your mouse cursor where the where you can cover entire the object which you want to select. So I want to select this whole, so please keep your mouse cursor over here, and then click once, right means left click, do left click. Now you want to select this whole, right, means this entire the object. So please uh, move your mouse without pressing any buttons from your mouse. Move your mouse from right to left side. See, your selecting object is come or cover entire the object, right? Now go to, if it this selection would be cover, right, cover region. So now just click it, left click from your mouse. Now you can see this whole region has been selected. Now go for the same copy, select the any object, right? You can see this whole is selecting. Now I am going to teach you how to select the inside of the material by using by using your left to right. See, I have already explained you about this blue line, right? So what is the blue line means? It will select you the entire region, right? So in this whole plan, you can see this is my window, right? Window is this one only, this one, this is my window. So if I want to select, this is plan is like this. If I want to select this inside material only, so how could I? So keep your mouse over here, then do the same thing. Just click left click once from your mouse and just drag from left to right. So you can see blue color is coming. So no need to worry, you just drag it and see that whether that moving part or the selecting part is covered or not. So you can see these lines are covering. So just go and again, if it covers, then again click the left button from your mouse and just click it. See, the entire means entire in the sense this inside material has been selected. So if you want to copy it, now the window only copied. See, like this it will be copied. So this is the way of selecting the any kind of object. So I hope you all have loved this tutorial. So if you want to learn AutoCAD so deeply, you can comment me. I will mind your comments and I will work according to you, and I will update or I will upload lot of tutorials regarding AutoCAD and regarding civil engineering. So if you like this tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.